Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can apply conditions to your workflow. First, you should create a workflow with all of your steps. Then you should go to Conditions section just below the steps. Click on the step that you want to add the condition to and click on Add Condition button at the upper right corner. Conditions given will depend on the feedback widget you have selected, but in all cases, they are easy to understand and apply. In my case, I have selected checkbox plus radio widget. Let's apply a condition to it. First, I will choose my widget. Then, I will choose to which action the condition should or should not react. This means that when a user selects option water pressure, they should go to the step named QR code. And if no conditions apply, they will go to the next step, which is image plus video. You can also expand your condition by adding a logical condition. Simply click on three dots next to already existing condition and select Add Logical Condition. This way, you can add more options on when the user should be redirected to the chosen step. Please note that conditions can be applied only to steps that require user feedback. For example, text input, multiple choice option, checkbox, and others. Now you can apply this to as many steps as you wish.